Can you see yourself in the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe? With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take life's challenges in stride in the fully capable Tahoe. Spacious and quiet, athletic and safe, it's a powerful ally awaiting your command. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, trip computer, power windows. Escape to the calm, capable oasis of the Tahoe. Take it for a test drive.